In this video, I'll detail how to recover deleted contacts in Samsung phone. So if you're using the Samsung phone and you've deleted some contact on your Samsung Galaxy phone, now you want to recover it, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you're done with this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to recover deleted contact in Samsung, all you need to do is open the phone app. Then once the phone app is opened, come here and click on contacts. Then once you selected that, here you have access to all the contacts you saved on your Samsung phone. Now click on the three dots at the top right. Once you selected that, come here and locate recycle bin. Then here you're going to see all contacts you deleted on your Samsung device. You see that? Now locate any of the contacts you want to recover. So let's say I want to recover this contact. Just click on it and hold it. Then come here and tap restore. Then you should see contact restore. You can also click on edit, select all, and then click on restore all contact. If you select restore all contact, this is going to restore or recover all deleted contact on your Samsung device. So that is basically how to recover deleted contacts in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.